Hello guys, for today's video, we're gonna tackle about user account management and file management system. So first click window I, then go to accounts, and then scroll down, click other users, then add account, then click the I don't have this person sign in information, and then add a user without Microsoft account, then fill up the username, also the security questions. So here we're gonna put dog, and then Lubao, and then childhood nickname Din. Then click next. To verify if this is a standard user account, go to change account type and then standard user. And then just click OK and then X. So here we're gonna add permission to the standard user. So here we're gonna create a new folder, name it test folder, and then put a file inside the folder, and then X, then right click the folder, show more options, properties, security, edit, add, add the standard user, okay, then apply, okay, okay. Now we're gonna go to standard user account. Just press Windows L and then standard, type the password, and then we're just gonna wait here. So here we're just gonna click the accept. Here we're gonna search the folder, which is the test folder. Then we're gonna try to delete the file inside of it. Right click, then delete, then click yes. As you can see, we need the admin permission. So no, X, then X. So we're gonna go back to the admin account. We're gonna encrypt the folder. So right click the folder, show more option, properties. In general tab, click the advanced. So the Windows 11 does not support the encryption. So let's just cancel it. Cancel, cancel. Now we're gonna change the permission of the standard user. So click properties, then go to security, click the standard user, edit, and then click modify, then uncheck the read. So if I uncheck the read, the modify will be unchecked also. So let's just check the modify. Apply, okay, okay. Now we're gonna go back to the standard user account. Then go to the folder, test folder. Then we're gonna try to open the file. So as you can see, it can be read since the modify check the read permission. Now we're gonna try to delete it. Click delete. Yes. So now the file is deleted because the standard user account has permission to modify. Now we're gonna delete the account, but before that, we remove the password first. So go to settings, click accounts, then go to sign in option, then password, then change. So we put the current password, then here we're just gonna next it and then finish. So we're gonna try it, Windows L. So as you can see, it has no password now. Then we're gonna sign out first before we delete the account. So just click the sign out. Now go back to the admin account, go to settings, Windows I, accounts, then go to other users, then click the account, then remove, and then delete it. So as you can see, the account is deleted now.